Junkyard, round 2.
So we are exploring the junkyard today to try and find some GMT 360 type vehicles that we can rob some parts from and hopefully use it to fix up our wonderful pile of crap. Vehicles like this one here are great to steal parts from because it's a base model. Nothing is really specific to the SS. We just need little trim pieces and other odds and ends that aren't unique. They're just not made anymore. So this will work for us. Took this dashboard and that door panel and a couple other things. Let's take some more. Definitely for curtain airbags, dude. No, I saw that was an option for them, whatever that RPO code was. Isn't it really cool, the wood grain and everything? I think it'd be cool, right? It doesn't match with anything else in the car, though. Otherwise, if there was other wood in the car, it would be so cool. This right here is a pretty unique one. This is a Saab 97X, which is actually also just a Trailblazer, but with Saab badging on it. And as you can see down here, it actually still has a 5.3 GM V8 in it, even though it's a Saab. 200 inline six.
It's a fantastic motor.
Apparently you can turbo and have some wild things. Right now, we're trying to rip off the headliner in this to see if we can get to an antenna that is up through here. You want to pan up here? This antenna right here, we need to try and get out. Because right now in our Trailblazer, there's just a big hole there, and that's not very helpful.
But I don't really give a shit about the wiring because I just want it to cover the hole. But look, see the gasketing?
Yeah.
It's exactly the same.
Oh, that part. I see
Yeah.
what you're saying, yeah.
It's exactly the same, so we can use the sleeker one if we wanted.
As long as it covers the hole, that's all that matters. So in addition to the antenna, we also need a lot of the plastic around the gauge cluster is cracked or ripped or broken. And around the steering column, there's some stuff missing too. Just a lot of missing stuff. So in addition to the antenna, we also need a lot of the plastic around the gauge
Oh, God. That's why it's not coming off.
What do you have to do?
It's an external Torx.
Oh.
either work or...
And there should be other mounting things in there. That shouldn't have been the only thing holding it on. Find out.
Either that or look for one that's already ripped off in one of these other cars.
Probably find one on eBay.
I just don't want to pay for it. I don't feel like pulling a window regulator.
Oh, it needs a regulator too?
Yeah, that's why the window won't roll down, is the cable's all broke.
Makes sense. Well, we got a thing to plug the hole in the roof at least.
Yeah, I mean, the motor works. Like the window motor.
Yeah, it's just the regulator broken.
Yeah.
The shifter itself.
Oh my god.
So the shifter relay in here, is it in this or is it?
It's this button right here. So you push that now. See how when you go to depress, you can't move. You push that, now press down on the button.
Yep.
I just don't trust a junkyard solenoid.
Yeah.
I'd rather just buy one.
Slowly but surely, we will get there.
Looking for parts I misplaced in my murderous rampage. Kind of looks like it, huh?
It does kind of seem like it. That's not normal wiring.
Right.
Where's the hole punch?